everyone, hope all is well. This is Joe George again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually whitelist our emails in Gmail using either a desktop or mobile device. This would be the preferred method to use if, in the rare instance, you're not able to receive any of our emails. What I'm going to first cover is how to do this from a desktop device, and then we're going to go into how to do this on a mobile device. The first step would be for you to go into your contact books in Google. You need to go to this URL. Once you're on this page, click on Create Contact, then create a contact, and type in the email address that you want to whitelist. So what you want to do is you want to whitelist both of our emails, since we're sending emails from news@news.cubetize.com and support@support.cubetize.com. You could, if you want to, add additional details to this contact, but it's not mandatory to whitelist our email addresses. So we're first going to enter in the news domain. Click Save, and that's going to go ahead and whitelist that email. You want to do this a second time for the other email I mentioned, and that is for support. Click Save, and that email will be whitelisted as well too. So that's how you do it from a desktop device. I'm going to now show you how to do it from a mobile device. Let's go ahead and clear these contacts and start all over from fresh. I'm going to go to my phone. Okay. And I happen to be using a Google Pixel 2 phone. If you're using another Android device like a Samsung or another Pixel 2, the steps should be more or less the same. You need to get access to the Contacts app. So mine is located when I actually swipe my screen from bottom to top. Okay, you can search for this app using your phone if it's not actually located in this section. So you need to click on Contacts, the Contacts app, which is over here. And then click on this plus icon. You'll see that the screen looks very similar to the desktop version. So you need to then click on the email box, and you need to do this twice, right? One for the news and one for the support. So this is how you whitelist the news email. Once you enter that field in, click Save on the top, and that should take care of that email. We need to then go back and then click on this icon again. Type the support email. And that should take care of this email. Hit save. And that's how you manually whitelist both our email addresses using a desktop and mobile app. Also, please make sure you watch my video on how to tell Google to move or deliver all of our emails into your primary tab and not the promotions tab. This video is vital for you to watch if you don't want to miss out on any of our important emails. So in order for you to do this, you need to set up a filter in Gmail and tell Gmail to place all of our emails into your primary tab and not the promotions tab. Lastly, if you happen to be using the Gmail app on a mobile device, don't worry, we got you covered. We're not going to leave you hanging. We actually have another video that shows you how you can move our emails from the promotions tab and into the primary inbox tab, specifically for Gmail mobile users. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you have a blessed and fruitful day.